Alrighty. Hello, people of the YouTube and the internet. That is, if you're watching this right now. Okay, so this is a bike check of this bike that I'm riding this weekend at NCCX, North Carolina Cyclocross. Bike check. Right now, I'll just do all of the things that I'm running, all the parts, everything. Probably not everything, but you know what I mean. The gist of everything. Alright, so this is my Focus. It's a Mayor's AX, aluminum, carbon fork, cantilever brakes. All of my shifting and brakes and stuff is Shimano Ultegra, a lot of Shimano stuff. Ultegra cranks, Ultegra front derailleur, Ultegra rear derailleur. Alright, so what else do I have on this bike, you may wonder? Well, I have Candy Crank Brother pedals. Candy is the model. A contact seat, race face stem, let's see, Continental tires, Roval rims, front and rear. My front hub is a Roval. I don't know what my rear hub is though. Hey, my rear hub's a Roval too. Okay. Cantilever brakes, like I said. Everything is Shimano. Internal rooting. Got a bottle cage. I may use that this weekend when I race. Let's see. I don't have much. Okay, I was gonna say this earlier. This is not my bike. This is a loaner bike that my dad let me use, and I'm loving it. So yeah. Alrighty, hello everyone. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we can see you next weekend at Sanford or Lions Park in North Carolina. That's where the NCCX races are gonna be. So if you could come to those races, that'd be great. It's actually, we're not putting on those races, but we're definitely gonna film, and if you win a race, you might be able to get interviewed. So yeah, hopefully we can see you soon. See ya.